Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, in previous class, I had taught you Unit 5, Friends of Mangroves lesson. I hope you complete your classwork and exercises what I send, and also I send for homework. Children, be ready when I inform you to bring the correction books. That time only you come to school and submit your classwork, homework and copywriting book. Now today I am going to teach you Unit 6 poem What is Pink? So before start the poem, I will give some instruction or information about that poem. So I hope you can understand what is pink. Pink what? It's a color. Yes, children? So without colors we will become our life will become useless. Yes, colors play an important role in our life. So all are having one own color. See our nature, plants, animals, birds, vegetables, fruits, all are having their own color and we can identify to them. See, here my favorite color is blue. That sky blue, that is my favorite color. For your favorite color, I will give a chance to you. The page number 41, A1 question number 1. In that question, when you write the question, first question you can write, I will send you. Second one part, when I will send the option favorite color, you write yourself that answer. Okay, your favorite color you can mention there. So now I coming to the main part, the poem, the Unit 6 poem. What is pink? Pink is color. Our world is beautiful because of the colors. Here is one such poem which explains the beauty of nature through the variety of colors. What is pink? A rose is pink by the fountain's brink. What is red? In its barley bed. What is blue? The sky is blue, where the clouds float through. What is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. What is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. What is green? The grass is green, with small flowers between. What is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. Written by Christiana Rossetti. Okay, I will explain again. I will repeat the poem once to you. Again I will explain the poem to you. So children, in this poem, the poet Christiana Rossetti, she has mentioned her own color pink. About that pink, she has explained other some colors. Okay. So again I will start the repeat the poem once. Listen children. Page number 40. What is pink? A rose is pink by the fountain's brink. What is red? A poppy is red in its barley bed. What is blue? The sky is blue, where the clouds float through. What is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. What is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. What is green? The grass is green, with small flowers between. What is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. Okay. So children, now I will explain to you the summary of the poem. See, what is pink? You all know the rose colored pink. So by the fountains being, when the fountains are did you know the fountains, the water will flow from there, that bring that one edge corner, bring there only that color, the rose are there, that is the rose is pink. What is red? A poppy is red. Poppy means one type of flower, red color flower. In its barley bed. Barley, one type of grain. Grain, we are ragi, bajra, that type, wheat, rice. These are grains, no? Barley also one type of grains. So upon that, poppy is red color. That one also, poppy is red in its barley bed. What is blue? The sky is blue. So all you know, the sky is blue. Now you can see the sky, children. The color is blue. Yes. Where the clouds float through, where the clouds are float, that time it become blue. What is white? A swan is white. The swan is a bird, you know. So the big one type of ducks. That is one duck. That is also white, full white. I hope you can see our school also. Swan, big duck is there, no? That is called swan. Sailing in the light. See, sailing, they are sailing in the light. Very light means light weight, they are not sailing upon that one, the swan. What is yellow? Pears are yellow. Pears one fruit name. Pears. Pears are fruits name. So that one also which color? First, when it is rich, means hard, that is orange. After when it will ripe and rich, full, it will become and soft. No, that mellow means soft. That color become yellow. What is green? Grass. The grass is green. You know the grass color is green with small flowers between. With small flowers between, we can see the green grass. Isn't children? In the summer, it will eat. So in the summer, immediately before sunrise and immediate after the sunset, in that time, summer time, we can see the what? The colors of clouds are violet. Okay? Violet color. In that time, not all time. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. Orange, orange only. Orange, color also orange. Orange one fruit's name also orange. So children, you have to read the poem very interest and your energetic mood only. You have to learn the poem. I hope you will learn. Written by Christiana Rossetti. You learn the poet name also when you learn the poem. Okay. Now I am going to the page number. Next page, page number 41. See, here they given the learn words. Learn the words means when you read the poem, along with that you have to learn the poems, children. I will not mention in the classwork that one. When I send the classwork, I will mention the page number. From your textbook, you have to learn the poem. Okay, sorry, meaning the words. See here given bring, poppy, mellow, twilight. These words you have to learn and write in your classwork. When I give the exercise, classwork exercise to you, I will send in your group. That time, along with that poem, you have to write the poet meaning also. Okay. Next, answer the following questions. See, in here, question number 1, 2, 3. 3 also I will send you. But question number 1, first part, what are the colors that the poet talks about in this poem? This answer I will send you. Out of the all the colors, mention which is your favorite and why. Which color you favorite and why you favorite, that one you have to mention. Okay, children? So next part I will not write the answer. You have to write your favorite color and think why that color is favorite for you. Just 1 or 2 sentences also you can write yourself. Okay. Next 3 question answer I will send you. And here given one box. What else do you think? Orange, come up the 3 words, draw and space below. See that box, you can do this work. Okay. Now, page number 42, I sent you. See that match the following, you do in your exercise textbook only. No need to write in classwork. But B part and C1 and C2 I am giving for you homework. Okay, you have to do the homework in your home. That is, and page number 43 also color have to do. You can do in your textbook only. I hope you can understand all things. And within 1 or 2 days I will send the notes to you. You have to write neatly and follow my instruction. Some children are not following my instruction. They are writing their own. See children, if you write like that, I will not give the internal marks, 20 marks to you. Your good handwriting, your teachers, whatever teachers telling, you have to listen means carefully. Follow the instruction means you can get out marks. Yes. If you don't follow, you will get less marks. Okay. So, I hope you can learn the poem. Bye children.